All right, we are talking all things just really improving our homes, getting ready for that new year. And this is one that I just am so impressed with. It is that easy way to clean without the bending over, no dustpan. Don't have to pull out the vacuum, which is music to my ears. This is the Teko Rechargeable 2-in-1 sweeper and vacuum with a USB charger. So this really is something that you can pull out. You can do all of that dusting or the sweeping, and then you can immediately vacuum it up. The price on this is unbelievable. $39.98, should be $50. We have two colors for you. 3 easy payments of $13.33 are going to get that home. We have a blue and white option for you, as well as a gray and white option. I'm going to welcome in Jack Yeiser to talk a little bit about how this works and how we are innovating in our home. Jack, it's great to see you.
Oh, thanks for having me on. And it is so awesome to be able to bring this to everyone, because to me, what this is doing is it's eliminating at least one item from your typical broom closet toolkit, your cleaning toolkit. Because not only are you getting a great dust broom, but you're also eliminating the need for a dust pan with our little vacuum mechanism that we've got stuffed inside here. And this is what makes it so amazing. We've got great video on this, is that you can just do your normal sweeping routine, cleaning up all the dry debris, anything that's left on the floors, in between the nooks and crannies around your fridge or your trash can.
Okay.
You know, it's the little things in your kitchen that get mixed up whenever you're cooking and you're busy, and then you forget to pick them up or sweep them up, or you don't want to get out the dustpan. You just make the normal little line that you would with your broom, except now you pull the little snout down, and then you press a button, and you've got an instant dustpan all in one piece. And that's the most amazing thing right there, is not needing two tools for one job.
It's incredible. I mean, I am someone who just hates having to lug out my vacuum for the little things in the kitchen that always happen to spill while you're running around. But the fact that you can keep this, and it's really just, you know, it is that broom size that is compact, but it is going to pack that punch. It's so impressive. Now, this how does this work? It has, I was playing with it over here. I see the charge button. Then we have just the on button right here. So that's really gonna, and you can see it already start to work. But the fact that all you have to do is push this up and down, you're getting that sweep. It's really so innovative.
Thank you. And I appreciate that you point that out, that it's honestly all you're doing. So right now I've done a little bit of sweeping. I got a big mess on this floor right here, and I did a little bit of sweeping to kind of separate into two messes. And what I'm going to do is, without bending down, just kind of like what you were showing, I'm going to drop down the snout, right, for the vacuum. I'm going to turn it on. And then when I come down here, I have not had to bend down. I have not had to bend over. And I instantly start cleaning up this mess. And it's like having my dustpan on my broom. So it instantly just starts cleaning things up. I don't have to go get something else. I don't have to get a second item for this one cleaning job. And you can see it's just scooping all of this up. And that's what's so amazing, is you're getting easy cleaning, and it's all trapped inside this little compartment right here, which is super easy with the little latch to open up right above the trash.
Right, and you can empty it out super easily. But the price point on this, when we think of those, you know, how much we spend on a vacuum to improve our home, this is something that really is going to give you that same day-to-day ease. All you have to do today is pick which color you want, whether it is the blue and white option or the gray and white option. $39.98 is that price. You're saving $10 today. It is 3 easy payments of $13.33, and it's going to be something that you keep in the kitchen. You keep really anywhere you can grab it, in that close say this 3 times fast, close coat closet, and you're able to really just clean up that mess. I love that you don't have to bend over or, you know, find that dustpan and brush, because truly this is like, you see the mess and it's gone.
Exactly. And to me, the worst part about using a dustpan is always that it leaves a line. There's always a line of leftover dirt debris that you have to sweep up 3 times to finally get the mess actually gone. And so the nice thing about this is there's no leftover lines. There's no left behind dirt or debris that you might just be tired of cleaning because you've gone over it 3 times. With this, you don't have to bend over. All you do is you pull down the snout and then you turn on the vacuum and let it do the cleaning for you. It's also thin so it can get into crevices. So if you have like a track for your sliding door that's dirty, or the nice thing about this is if you lined it up onto some grout, you can vacuum up anything in grout lines. And
Right.
again, it is just so amazing. You get that 2-in-1, that 2 tools for 1. And that's what we love to do. We love to combine things and make it so you have one less thing cluttering up your closet. Because we all know that if you get a broom, you have to have a dustpan.
Yes.
Because if you don't have a dustpan, you're never getting anything off the floor.
But then
You can see right here.
I often feel like I need to get the vacuum out to get whatever I got on the broom actually
Exactly.
off of it. In this case,
Exactly.
you have that installed. Now I'm in here cleaning, you watching me in real time clean up some chips. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. Sorry, I yanked that right out of the camera shot. But I've just swept it up. Now, what is the best way actually to do this?
So you want to make sure that the vacuum snout is all the way down, and then you just kind of want to drag it over the mess, and you'll see it start to pick it up. But honestly, you can see that it loves to work. It loves to clean up all these messes, and you can see it working right there. And then once you get it to where there's enough in there, you turn it off, open up the container, and it's an easy way to get it out. So it's honestly just so nice. And I've got a mess here that I can clean up as well, because I got a little cleaning on my own to do. You see, I've got a big mess. Someone spilled a ton of trail mix on my floor.
Right.
And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the snout down, and then I'm going to bring my vacuum over. And then as I bring it over, I'm just going to let it do the work for me.
Right.
So it's going to get in there, and it's going to start picking everything up. Notice there's nothing left behind. And you know, this is a little issue of live TV is I believe I forgot to charge this all the way up.
Oh no.
But if you have yours on the charger and you have a full charge, it should be able to do all the messes in your home and keep everything clean. But again, it works great as your basic vacuum, and it works great as your basic broom. The nice thing is it's very easy ergonomic cleaning with just the simple push of a button.
It really is
There's the push of a
incredible. And
button
the fact that you can clean up so quickly and then empty it out just easily. It's that ease of use, and the fact that you're getting this at a sale price. Think of that dog food. Think of those spills and the dirt and debris that comes in when we are walking in from the outdoors. This is that easy pickup and then easy dump it out. All you have to do is pick your favorite color today. It's a sale price of $39.98. And this will be something that you reach for time and time again. It's 3 easy payments of $13.33 to get it home. You just need to pick your favorite color, which we have the option of the gray and the white, or the blue and the white. Now, what is the story behind Teko?
Exactly. So this is me and my family's cleaning brand. I come from a long line of inventors. And basically what we want to do is we want to bring innovation to cleaning so that we can make our difficult chores just a little bit easier.
Right.
So when this idea, the whole point was to combine the dustpan and the broom into one beautiful item, one item that does 2 jobs with one piece. And the nice thing about that is that with this, you can clean up your messes like you would normally with a broom, but unlike when you use a dustpan and there's those leftover lines, or it's just too difficult because it takes 3 times sweeping it into the dustpan to get all the debris that you piled up, this is just one easy motion with the vacuum. And that's what's so nice about it, is it's doing the job of 2 tools in one. Because, you know, typically you think, oh, I've got my broom, I can clean things up now with that. But you forget that when you get a broom, you have to get a dustpan.
Yes.
And if you got a bad dustpan or you got an old dustpan, we all have that one that we hate to use and the one that we like to use. This just gives you an all-purpose vacuuming tool so that when you create those little piles of debris with your broom, it's easy to clean up with nothing left behind. It's
so innovative, and it's going to save that space, which I think of, you know, that is huge to me, having lived in a small New York apartment for so long, that every inch of that closet matters. And this is going to give you that space back. You are able to charge it. So there's no wires, there's no tripping. I think of someone like my grandma who is 90 and wants to do that little cleanup, but can't bend over, you know? This is that solution, and you're able to pick it up at a sale price. So do not miss out on it. It should be $50. We are offering it today for $39.98. 3 easy payments of $13.33 will get this home to you. You just have to choose whether you want the gray and white option or the blue and white option. Jack, thank you so much for bringing us such an innovative design and something that's really going to give us that peace of mind at home.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
All right, I'll see you next time. All right.